Hi, Steve DeMarco, President of Key Mortgage Services with today's Mortgage Minute. So today on the Mortgage Minute, we're going to talk about something that our listing agent partners will find of value. As we all know, short sales are a huge part of the marketplace, and it seemingly takes forever to get them done. Well, there's help at hand. In fact, Fannie Mae has created the Short Sale Assistance Desk, and anyone who's submitting offers on short sales should be very aware of this tool. So you're all aware that Fannie Mae owns a good deal of the toxic assets that were written back in the heydays of real estate. In fact, somewhere around 60–65% of the loans are owned by Fannie Mae. Their mission is to reduce the amount of time it takes to get an approval on a short sale, and also ultimately to limit the amount of foreclosures in the marketplace. What you need to do, if you haven't heard from your servicer on an offer that you have submitted within 20 days, is determine if the property is owned by Fannie Mae. You can access the links at the bottom of this video to be able to put in the property address and confirm that Fannie Mae is the owner. Beyond that, if in fact Fannie Mae is the owner and you're interested in having them hasten the servicer along, you should contact the Short Sale Assistance Desk after having the homeowner complete this borrower authorization form. You can submit the form automatically after having the borrower sign the borrower's authorization agreement, and Fannie Mae will go to work on your behalf. Now here's where they'd like to get involved in the process. The time to call the Short Sale Assistance Desk is if you haven't heard from the servicer within 20 days of making a bona fide offer, or if you haven't received a final valuation from the servicer on the property within 60 days of making a bona fide offer. And lastly, if you haven't received any direction whatsoever within 60 days of making the original submission date. What Fannie Mae's Short Sale Assistance Desk will do is pick up the phone and move the servicer along. And their goal is to reduce the time frame from getting these offers submitted to closing to 150 days. And they've been successful in doing so 80% of the time. So, those of you that are listing agent partners of ours, I want you to understand that this tool exists and put it to use for your benefit. Let's all move these things through the process even faster than we have. I also have one additional document that I've included in this video, and it is an addendum to the listing agreement that you may choose to use. And specifically what this allows for is Key Mortgage personnel to be required to pre-approve any customer that you're making a short sale offer on. This can be beneficial. We've recently had an experience with one of our partners who had submitted a pre-approval offer with a national lender, and ultimately when the servicer had approved the offer, the lender wasn't able to perform for the borrower, and the homeowner was placed into foreclosure. And you can imagine, if there was a second set of eyes on that pre-approval, we could have saved a homeowner a whole lot of trouble, because the effects of that foreclosure on their credit and financial circumstance are much greater than that of short sale. Thanks for listening in. I hope this is a valuable tool. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.